Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to add contacts on Yubo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Yubo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you download the app, sign in, and on your screen you can see there are options like swipe, friends, activity, chat, and live. You have to go to Friends, and under Friends you can see there are two options, Requests and Discover. Under Requests you can see there's a search bar. From there you can type in the username and look for a contact from Friends, People, Chat, Live, or everything. Now, or you can scroll down and find friend requests. You can accept them and add a contact, or you can go to Discover, and under Discover you can find the people with similar interests to you from the tags you've added to your profile. To add them you need Yubo, and guys, that's it. That's how you add contacts on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.